Articles and other determiners. Determiners go before nouns. There are four kinds of determiners. Articles A, N, B. Quantifiers a lot of, a few, some, etc. Demonstrative adjectives this, that, these, those. Possessive adjectives my, yours, his, etc. Use a or an with singular count nouns to express a general meaning. Use a or an when the thing you are referring to is not specific and the reader doesn't know what you are referring to. For example, I bought a book last night. Here, we don't know which book. Second example, you should bring an umbrella. This means it doesn't matter which umbrella you bring. A count noun is always preceded by a, an, the, or another determiner. I ate an apple, I ate the apple, I ate your apple. But we cannot use it. Just I ate apple. No article is used with plural count nouns and non-count nouns to express general meaning. For instance, movies are my favorite way to relax. Second example, I think that honesty is important. Generally, do not use articles with proper nouns, names of people, places, and things. For instance, Jaishil is originally from Surat, but now he lives in Ahmedabad. The is used to express specific meaning with all three kinds of nouns, singular, plural, and non-count. In this case, the reader knows which thing you are referring to in your writing. For instance, the assignment in history is interesting. Second example, the door was locked. Third example, the trains are often crowded at this time of the day. Fourth example, he gave us the information that we needed. Use the definite article the in the following cases. First, with superlatives, the best, the cheapest, the most, the least, etc. For example, the fastest runner finished in 10 minutes. Second, with ordinal numbers, the first, the second, etc. I didn't understand the second question. Third, with say, we have the same math class this semester. She made the same mistakes as I did. In general, select a, an, or no article when using a noun for the first time and the every time afterwards. Examples are I put a book in your room, the book is on your desk. Second example, we saw a great movie last night. The movie was about space aliens. Third example is they bought furniture last night. The furniture will be delivered tomorrow. Use quantifiers before nouns to indicate an amount or number. For instance, we bought two books and several magazines. Second example, my neighbors have a lot of children. Quantifiers that can be used with plural count nouns include few, a few, several, some, many, a lot of, lots of. Note the difference between few and a few. She has few friends, which means she has almost no friends. She had a few friends before, which means she had some or a small number of friends. Quantifiers that can be used with non-count nouns include little, a little, some, much, a lot of, lots of. Note the difference between little and a little. He gave me little help, which means he gave almost no help. He gave me a little help, which means he gave me some help. Any often replaces some in questions and negative statements. For instance, did you have any problems with the assignment? No, I didn't have any problems, but some questions were tricky. Much is often used with non-count nouns in questions and negative statements. It is unusual in affirmative statements. Use a lot of instead of much in affirmative statements. For instance, did you get much sleep last night? No, I didn't get much sleep, but the night before I got a lot of sleep. Each and every are followed by singular count nouns and singular verbs. For instance, every student meets with a counselor once a year. Every college charges a different amount for books. Each of and one of the are followed by plural count nouns. The verb remains singular. For instance, each of the students plans to take the final. Next example, one of the students is not finished yet. Demonstrative adjectives use this and that with singular count nouns and with non-count nouns. Use these and those with plural count nouns. Instances are: this test is very difficult. That furniture looks beautiful in your house. These courses are at the beginning level. Did you pay a lot for those shoes? Possessive adjectives. The possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Possessive adjectives. Use possessive adjectives before nouns. They can come before any kind of noun. My parents live in Cairo. Second example. We need to include their information in the report.